That quite an upsetting little jingle, mate. Oh, I can tell you. I can tell you. Okay, look at Batman. Send me a video about this. Yeah, but that a little upsetting number remind me. It remind me deeply but my mother she tell me my father was Alby Mangles as a young man. I believed it, but Alby said no, your mother not at the barn dance, I can tell you. But my mother said she made love to him at the barn dance, so that was quite contradicting to what my beliefs were at the time, I can tell you. Now just pull together to save Alby. We got to pull together to save Alby, that's why I can tell you. Some of you have started to support me. That's wonderful. That's wonderful, but I've been in this business too long, mate. Too long, that's why, okay? Okay, nobody knows for sure who my love to my mother the band is. Okay, my father could be anyone. It could be anyone, that's why. Not my problem. Not my problem. I got a melty little number called a melt in the mouth kiss face. Just do that. Melty little kiss face, I like it when it happens. Happens like that. Happens like this, okay, but then I think to myself, you got filthy gems, mate, keep them away from me and Alby. We gotta get together, Alby, I can tell you, forget about the band dance. It's not important anymore, Alby, whether you fathered me or not, mate. I just need to know you're safe, mate. I need to know you're safe before we get into the melt fest. The melt fest of that why. Oceanarium, mate. It's called Oceanarium. Oceanarium meditation, Alby, let's do that. Nobody taught me how to be. Nobody taught me how to play the banjo. It came to me naturally, mate. Okay, but we're gonna pull together and save you, Alby. Okay, I can tell you that. Don't worry your head about nothing, Alby. It's all gonna be okay. The horse punchers want to get you, mate. Know why I won't let that happen. I won't let it happen, Alby. Okay? Think about it, Alby. Think about it before you go worrying yourself, mate. Alby, who fathered me? My mother said it was you. You must have made love to her at the barn dance, but maybe you don't remember. You don't remember making love in your hot pants at a beautiful barn dance. Shake it, Alby, shake it. That's what they all said. They said, shake it, mate. Shake it. That's what my mother should tell me. She tell me, Alby. She said, come over here and shake it, Alby. Shake it, my wife, mate. And she said, you shook it, Alby. Shook it all the way in those beautiful hot pants. I can tell you. I know what my mother should tell me. She tell me you was a good lover, Alby. A gentle but a generous lover, that's why. Beautiful Alby, you need to teach me the way you made love to me. Look at that. Look at that. We're getting somewhere, mate. Yes, look at that. That filthy fishing line, that's why. not good for environment. Not good for beautiful animals. Yes, checking beautiful animals that why. This guy's onto it. Okay. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Let's see where this leads. Let's see where this leads and how to play out that way. Yes. I already got like a feeling how this plays out, quite frankly. Okay. It probably plays out like my search for Alby. Fruitfulness. The fruitfulness in that one, okay? I don't want you to believe it was fruitful in any way, because it was not fruitful. It was unfruitful that way, okay? But yeah, we're gonna say to go to bed. Look at that. Look at that. You got that. Not good for environment, but me, I can tell you. Audition's gone well, mate. The auditionships are going well that way. Okay, badge of attraction, I can tell you. Yeah, we've been advocating to be recognized for quite some time. Look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah, we're not all just a nation of horse punchers in that way. I can say it, Alby. I can say it. Come out of hiding, Alby, and tell me what's my father that way, okay? I can say to you. Because we're working together now, Alby. We're working hard and we're working together, mate. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that, Alby. It's not good. I can say that. It's like I say, Alby, why would my mother she tell me? Why would she tell me that you might love to about this? You not do that, Alby. You not do that. Who's my father, Alby? Tell me please that it's you. I want to be inducted into the Mangles family that way, Alby. Yeah, maybe I can marry in Alby. Maybe got a cousin. Maybe got a cousin or an unattractive, like a niece or something, mate. I can tell you. I can tell you, Alby. Yes, my mother, she taught me. She taught me your tricks, Alby, okay? I got a pair of hot pants I can wow your niece with, mate. I want to wear her that way, Alby. I can say it. When we get together, I'll bet that way. I can tell you. I can tell you I'm husband material, mate. Husband material, give it to me. Give it to me. Yeah, I grew up without a father, Alby, that way. I thought it was you. I thought it was you. Any number of things could be wrong with me from that, Alby. I could have deep-seated emotional issues from just that alone, Alby. That alone was too much, Alby. It was too much to bring to meditation class today. I can say. 7 stories about how I was conceived. I can conceive them to you, and you won't believe my conception. It was Alby. It was Alby. Just cause you say I'm not my father, Alby, how can I be sure about that? I can't, mate, I can't. But look at it. Mission accomplished, mate. Yes, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful. It's not good for the dolphin. Caught in the blowhole and anus of a dolphin that way. Ah, not good. Not good, I can tell you. Yes, look at the stimulation. It's beautiful to me. Mission accomplished, mate. You filthy looking harbor, I can tell you. Yes. Yes. That's basically what I'm attracted to, quite frankly. I'm attracted to harbors. especially the ones that urinating in my like stairwell, man. They're marking their territory that way. Mental attraction. I want to. I just want to hang out, mate. I don't get any ideas about the sexual attraction. I got the spiritual attraction, man. That's what I like to attract myself to. Spiritual men who don't mind. They don't mind fathering children at the barn dance. I can tell you. He's caught up in it now, mate. I can tell you. Aren't we all caught up in it there? I'm caught up in it too. I'm caught up in revealing myself to you. Yes, Alby, come to me. I can prove it, Alby. I can prove it to you. My circumcision went wrong, Alby. It went wrong. Okay? You don't want me to have to show you, Alby. But I'm willing to, Alby, because maybe you were circumcised as a young man. I can tell you. I was circumcised when I was 15, okay? Yes. Done it myself, Alby. Done it myself, mate.